Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your AfterShokz Titanium with iPhone. And to do this there's only one way, and that's a Bluetooth. There's no way to connect it to any app, so we need to stick to the Bluetooth as I mentioned. Now open a Bluetooth on your iPhone and go ahead to the settings. From here we can turn on our headphones, so hold the plus button until the headphones are powered on and hold it even longer till you enter pairing mode. Now that we're in the pairing mode, we should see them in other devices. Click on it. And when you see your headphones and connected sign next to it, that means the pairing is successful. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.